Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to design a full functional banking website like this one now that you are seeing now. As you can see, this one now is looking so fine with so many features that distinguish it as a banking website, online banking website. I'm going to teach you how to design all this under 30 minutes. Just watch this video to the end. So we'll go straight into the video. For you to build this, you need to have a domain and the hosting. When you have your domain and your hosting, you just have to come to your cPanel. As you can see here, I'm already in my cPanel here. You just locate this file that says file manager, this place that says file manager. You open your file manager. There in your file manager, you create a folder. Let's wait, let it load. You create a folder in your public_html. That's where you create a folder. Open this public_html, empty it. Let me empty it. Let's delete. Let's make sure that everything is empty. Delete this file here, or you can still leave it. You can still leave it. Just create a new folder here. Click on this plus sign here to create a new folder. So you can give it any name that you want. Then let's name this our file Northwest City. So after that, you click on this create folder. Click on create folder. As you can see, we have created our folder. So the next thing that we'll have to do is to open this folder and upload our file. As you can see, it says this directory is empty. You click on this upload here. Click on upload. It will take you to where you upload your files. Here you select your file in wherever it is. As you can see, don't worry about this script. If you don't have it, just message me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you, or you can check the link in my bio in the description to get the script. So let's select this to upload our file. Okay, you go to where your file is, then look at the file here. You click on open for it to start loading. As you can see, it's still loading here. Let's wait for some time so that it will load. It's still loading. So as you can see, our file has finished installing. It has finished uploading. Make sure that whenever you're uploading your file, this script here, make sure that this bar here turns green. It's very important that it turns green when uploading. So as you can see, we have uploaded our script. Let's go back to this is our folder here. Let's refresh it so that you see that it has uploaded. You also have to click on this part here that says reload. So as you can see, is here in our file. As you can see, all you have to do is to right click and then extract it. When extracting it, you click on this place that says extract file. When you click on extract file, you give it a little time to extract all the files here. As you can see, it has finished extracting our file. That's the script. You close it, refresh this again. After refreshing this, you see this folder here. You open it. When you open it, these are our files. These are all our files here. So all you have to do is to select. Let's delete this. Because we don't need it. Let's delete this one now here. So select all these files. When you select all of them, you move it to your public_html. Why I'm moving it to my public_html is because this is a direct domain. This is a domain. This is not a subdomain. That's why I'll have to move it to my public_html. You click on this place that says move. When you click on this place that says move, you make sure that it is directly in your public underscore html, you click on move, then you move the file. As you can see, we have moved everything that we have here to our public underscore html. So next thing I will do now is to create our database. Go back to your cpanel, here. This is my cpanel. Then locate database wizard. You can just come here and search for database wizard. This is my database wizard. If you don't want to go through the stress of looking for it among these options, you just have to type, then click on database wizard here. When you click on database wizard, it will take you to where you create your database. So here you will have to create a database name. You can just create any database name of your choice. Let's assume our database name is, note that I'm just creating anyone that comes to my mind. You can just create your own, you get. So after creating it, this is it here. As you are creating all this, make sure you are saving everything somewhere. Make sure that you are saving the database name somewhere. You click here, you save it. Next step, then here is where you enter your username. You enter the name. You can give it any name of your choice, db user. So this is the name that I want. Then here is where you enter your password. This is where you enter your password. This password that you are seeing here, you can, if you don't want to go through the stress of creating password, you can just click on this generate password. When you click on generate password, before you generate, you select all this one here, you copy it, then come to a particular place here. That's why I said copy out, have a folder or maybe a text editor where you'll be saving every details, all these details, are because you need it later. You just have to paste it here, because we'll still need these details that we're pasting here for the backend connection. So you click on I have copied this password in a safe place. When you click on it, you click on use password. As you can see, so you click on this create user. After entering your details, you click on create user. As you can see, these are the details. Make sure just come here, still copy this database name and the username, because you surely need it. You need it later. You save it somewhere here. These are the database name and the password. Then let's come back to this place here. Click on this all privileges. When you click on all privileges, everything will check. Then next thing is for you to click on this place that says next step. Click on next step. As you can see, it says you have successfully created this database name with db user. So next thing is for us to connect this database that we have created into our file, into this file here, into our file. Let's go to public underscore html where all our files are. These are all our files. The next thing that we have to do is to connect this front end details, this database, to the website here. So what you do is to locate this file that says include, then go to your config.php, right click it, then edit it. When you edit it, you open up to codes where you just copy this file that we have here and paste there. First of all, let's copy the password. This is the reason why I told you to save this somewhere, because it's very important that you do this particular one that I'm doing now. You see this place here where it says database details. This is it here. You just come down to this place that says password. You select it here, then you paste it. Still do the same for the database name. Still do the same for, just copy the database name. This is the username. Let's copy the database name first. Then you come to this place here, you paste. So after pasting this stuff here, next thing that we'll do is to copy and paste the username here. Just copy and paste the username. Copy the database name, the username I mean to say. You copy the username, here, then go straight to this place that says, just copy it, then you paste it. So after pasting this, you come to this place here that says URL. You change it to your own website URL. Change it to your website URL. So what you do is to enter the URL of your website here. Enter the URL of your website here. Just highlight this, then you enter your website URL, as I'm doing now. Okay. Next thing is to change this email to your own email address. Change it to your own email address. If you don't know how to create a customized email with your domain, check my video, check my channels. You will see how to do that. I will also include the link here for you to see how to create a customized email for your website. So next thing that you have to do is to enter this phone number, change it to your own phone number. Let it be your own phone number. Enter your own phone number here. After entering your number, the next thing that you have to do is to, here you change your website, you change this place to your website name. Change it to your website name. Change it to your website name. So after entering all this, next thing is to save all the changes that you have done here. Make sure you save the changes by clicking on this place that says save changes. Click on save changes. Okay, it says successful. You have successfully saved what you have done now. So the next thing is for us to upload our file, upload our MySQL file. This is our MySQL file in this folder here. As you can see, all you have to do is just right click it, then you download it. It has finished downloading. So for you to upload this file, come back to your cPanel. Come to your cPanel. You search for Phpmyadmin. Remember, you can easily go through this file here, all this, if you don't want to search for it. But if you want to easily locate it, just come to this place and search this search bar, type Phpmyadmin. You bring it, this one now that says Phpmyadmin. You select it. When you select it, it will now take you to your Phpmyadmin page. Let's wait for it to load a little. Just wait for it to load. Okay, this is the database that we created. You open this database. When you open this database, you import your MySQL file, which is what we just downloaded now. Okay, you click on this place that says browse. When you click on browse, this is the MySQL file that we downloaded. You open it, then you scroll down to this place and click import. Okay, it says import has been successfully finished, 53 queries executed. That means that we have finished importing our MySQL file. So that shows that we have done, but there's one more thing that we need to do. You can just come to this place here, this admin table, and edit your details, your admin details. To edit it, all you have to do is just come to this place here, click on edit. When you come to this place, this edit here, you enter your website name. This place is for your website. You enter your website name. So after entering this first name, you come to this place now, change it to anything that you want. Let's just say something like Northwest City Bank, or let's just do something like this. Let's just have it something like this, Northwest City, then you have bank here, so everything will balance. So you come down to this place here, change it to your email. This will be admin email. Change it to your admin email. Change it to your, don't forget this is that same email. I created this a few minutes ago. If you want to learn how to create a customized email, I'm going to drop the YouTube link on how to do that in the description section. Okay, then just Citibank, Northwest Citibank.com. Don't forget the scripts to all these websites that are building now is in the description. It's in the description. There's the link there where you can get it. Or you can just message me directly on WhatsApp. I will send it to you. Okay, this is it here. Just scroll down. Here you enter your name, enter any name of your choice, like any password of your choice, I mean to say. As you can see, this password was encrypted. All you have to, after entering it, you come to this place here. Okay, after entering your password, you just click on this, then locate where encrypt is. This is it here. So after entering this encrypt, you just click on this place here, go to save your details. It's loading now. As you can see, it's loading. Okay, it has finished saving. This is just how to save our password details. So let's open our website and see what we did. Okay, let's open our website and see what we did. Let's open our website here. Let's open our website. This is it here, Northwest City Bank. Okay, then you just click on it, then visit and see what we have done. This is it. As you can see now, the website is now live. This is it here. It's live and it's looking so fine. If you want to, if you want to log in, you just have to click here, and either you log in with your internet ID, which is your bank account and your password and the rest of them, or your email access. So that's basically how to build a banking website using this script. If you need this script, just click on the seller link and get it, or you can message me directly on my WhatsApp to get this link. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. I hope to see you in my next video.